Okay, so welcome back into my channel. So in this video, I'm going to talk to you about the question, how do I get started with affiliate marketing? A lot of people that are brand new are wondering, how do they even get started? Well, I'm going to give you two options that you can get started with. You can get started with paid, or you can get started with free. I personally started with free. I'm going to teach you the free method first, and then I'm going to give you the option to pay. Alright, so let's go ahead and get into it. So what I want to do is I want to first answer what affiliate marketing is for the absolute new beginner. Okay? Affiliate marketing is literally promoting someone else's product that you have not created yourself. You give access to someone through your unique affiliate link. When the person goes through and purchases using that affiliate link, you get commission. Just like any other business offline, as a sales rep, you get a commission of the sale. It's a certain percentage that you agreed with the affiliate partner, the person that actually owns the affiliate product. So, an example would be is if you were to go to a store and you were to purchase an item, it doesn't matter what the item is, and there is a 10% commission for the salesperson that sold that item in the shop. And is in this example in a store. Well, the person is a customer, decides to pull out their wallet, pay for the item at the register. Now the sales rep gets 10% commission off of that sale of an item of $100. So $10 is what the sales rep would get off that $100 sale. The customer still only pays $100, does not pay $110, only pays the $100 total fee. So just like that, in digital marketing, in what I consider affiliate marketing the right way, you make a commission only when you deliver value, when you get someone to go over to purchase whatever it is you're trying to promote for them. When they purchase it, you don't get additional income. They don't have to get charged additionally. They literally get what they want. The affiliate partner gets what they want, and you as the affiliate gets what you want, commission. So hopefully that makes sense. Now let's go ahead and get started into the understanding of free affiliate marketing strategies. Hey, I want to interrupt you real quick and let you know that there is a free ebook. It's called On My Way to Freedom. It's a checklist document. It's got 10 successful steps that have been proven to work in the industry for affiliate marketers by six-figure affiliate marketers. They're notes and emails all compiled together, what I have gathered in my journey. I'm giving it to you for free. Just go to my website. The information is at the end of this video. Thanks. Continue watching. When I started my YouTube channel, I literally put up a video and put a link that I was registered as an affiliate for on clickbank.com. ClickBank is a wonderful platform for beginners to get started with affiliate marketing. Most marketers today do video content on teaching beginners ClickBank. I have videos on this channel if you want to check it out for yourself of ClickBank for beginners. There's a 3-part series. But what you do is you have someone go over to the ClickBank product that you're promoting, they buy, and you get paid. It's absolutely free to make a video on YouTube. It's absolutely free to register as an affiliate for ClickBank to get a product that you can promote for them. Affiliate marketing in the digital world is as simple as going on social media accounts like TikTok, for example. Right now is my primary video platform for fast awareness of my brand. If you are from TikTok, comment below TikTok. I would be interested to know if you came from TikTok to watch this video. YouTube was where I started with, so I'm going to go back into YouTube for a minute. YouTube is a long-term strategy. You do not get commissions right off the bat because a lot of people don't see your video in the very beginning. You're literally practicing and getting better at videos if you're doing what I do. Videos such as what you're seeing right now with you being on camera. So you have to have patience and an understanding that what you're doing with YouTube is a long-term strategy for years to come to have passive income. You're not going to see results right away. Now it's possible with any free method that you can make money right away. Anyone could just say, I'm going to go ahead and buy this, I trust this person, and that's it. But that's a strategy of the content marketing. You want to make sure that people are going to trust you through your content. So to give away a lot of stuff for free, as you'll see on this channel, my beginning, I gave away secrets that I paid for and others have paid for. You literally don't have to pay for a course whatsoever, and you can go through my entire channel and binge watch all of my content, and you can get the information, piece it all together. But if you don't know what you don't know, that's going to be a hard thing for you. And if you go to channel after channel on YouTube, you're going to be down a rabbit hole, so to speak, because you're always going to be questioning, well, what is it that I don't understand, and what do I not know, and what are they not telling me? Until you actually go through a course that's designed, strategically laid out step by step of how to get the result you're after with affiliate marketing, you won't have all the answers. So there's your free method. Make content on the internet for free and drive them over to your link and get paid when they purchase. Now here's the paid method. This is what I do personally. I teach you for free on YouTube and on TikTok and different accounts across the land on the internet. But I also have affiliate partners that teach for me, and I get paid when I send you over and you purchase a training course. Now the training course that I'm offering today is very reasonable. I started with it back in March of 2020. So if you want to check that out, I'm going to go ahead and pull it up on the screen. Just head on over to jonesrandomknowledge.com right here down below. You're going to see what I am offering for free. At the time of this video, of this recording, I am offering my free ebook / checklist. That checklist has all the secrets and step by step of how to get started with affiliate marketing today for free. It's only going to require you to go take action today and go to that website and get access to it. Now when you do, you're going to get it emailed to you. That email is going to be where you start your journey with me. You're going to get some additional free training that I put out there for you. I spent 8 hours putting this training together, and I put it into 3 videos, purposely, strategically planned out as if it was a paid course. What I have taught in that video session alone can get you results, and it's what people have paid for. So that's for you if you want it. Additionally, through emails, you will get responses from me and content that I don't put out to the public, and additional stuff for free because I want you to get results quickly. But you do not, and this is a choice, you do not have to go to that website and get started today with me. You can go to YouTube or some other marketer on the internet that is gladly going to put their content in front of you and get you to click their link to get purchased, or get a commission when you purchase. So I am not telling you that you have to, but it's an option. If you want the free option with me, and then of course something I offer that teaches you affiliate marketing by a paid course that is a reasonable price, then go to my website right down there. Alright, well I hope this video was helpful to you. I want to make sure that I'm answering your questions, so leave your comments, leave it in the comment section, or email me, josh@jonesrandomknowledge.com, subject line, question to make a video for. Something like that. That would get my attention. I'll go in my e-box, I'll see it, and I'll be like, alright, I need to make a video about this. There's a lot of people that are requesting this kind of information. And then you'll see a video posted here eventually. My goal is to answer your questions. I want to get you results, and if you want to learn from me, you can either keep watching all the videos on this platform, you can go to my TikTok and you can watch what I do there and get some ideas and inspiration of how I promote my content, how I promote my business rather, I should say. Or you could just go to the jonesrandomknowledge.com and see what I do behind the scenes, which in my opinion, going to the website is going to give you all the secrets, then going through my website and going through my YouTube channel and going through my TikTok account and going through my Facebook account and trying to put pieces together and figure it out on your own. Anyways, that's it for this video. Make sure that you subscribe because there are more questions that I'm answering in the upcoming videos. Have a great day.